वीडियो को देखिए हंसते हंसते। वाणी वर्मा का आप सभी को नमस्ते। So today in this era, children have to stay at home and have to do everything, have to learn everything at home. The concept of homeschooling gain importance nowadays. So what is homeschooling? Let us learn from our expert. Who is our expert? Mrs. Pallavi Behra. She is a well-known person in Manipal, runs Purple Space, a children library, a learning lounge with exploring, thinking, learning and creating. She is also passionate about the UP cycle. So let us learn about the homeschooling in an easy way. Hello Mrs. Pallavi Behra. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you, Vani, for inviting me. It's great to be here.
So my first question is, in this pandemic era, what is homeschooling?
Homeschooling is something where we do the child follows the same curriculum. They can follow CBSE, they can follow IGSE, they can follow a Cambridge curriculum. You can follow any curriculum you want, and the child studies at home, finishes, you have a regular assessment, you can take assessments, the exams through NIOS. So these are you are bringing the school atmosphere to home, but you are giving a lot of extra time which is left out, because to finish the schoolwork it's going to take only hardly 2 to 3 hours. So the rest hours the child can spend to follow their dreams or follow their passions. So that's your homeschooling. This is very trying time for all of us. Children at home, parents working from home, very stressful environment, lot of screen time, and all of them are contending that when the schools are going to start. Learning doesn't stop. Till the time we live, learning keeps on happening. So we should not be bothered if our children's learning hours getting stopped or hampered. Here homeschool comes into a lot of play.
How homeschooling is different from school education?
Homeschooling is not bringing the school home, but you can have a lot of unstructured time. You can finish the schoolwork in very minimum, less hours you can use to do the schoolwork, and the left out unstructured time you can use. Actually, the parents can use to get connect with their children, find your child's interest, find your child's curiosities, and you have to connect with your child. Children are born with natural curiosity. You should not let that natural curiosity die. So you have to connect with them, find out what are their interests. So use this time very effectively.
Can you share your experience in homeschooling?
Now my experience with homeschooling is I've been interested reading quite a lot about homeschooling, unschooling. And I was interested because I wanted to give my children a different kind of environment where they can find their own passion. And it happened so that my son, when he was in he used to always avoid going to school because he always wanted hands-on thing to be done. He wanted to play with Lego, he wanted to do a lot of puzzles. So he used to always avoid going to school. In a month, 15 days used to be at home and 15 days in school. So he never was very happy getting one way of interaction, and he always wanted a hands-on experience, activity-based studies. And that led me to go towards homeschooling or unschooling. So they spend their time, both my kids now are unschooled, they spend their time by planning their whole day. They follow the SDL, which is the self-directed learning, and they plan their whole day out. They do whatever they wish to do, but with their own planning, and they try to achieve their own goals. So it's not like the whole day they are just watching the screen, or they are just spending time just watching television. They plan out their day, they have their goals for a particular day, and they try to achieve that goal. So it is the child's goal the child is trying to achieve. So that is what I am trying to do with my children, which is unschooling them. Curiosity is a desire to learn. The children are born very curious. When children are sent to a disciplined environment, that curiosity dies. So we have to give this time for their curiosity to get back into track. So we have to try more to give them unstructured time and to trust them that the learning keeps on happening. Trust your children that they are learning. I know a child who is 5 years old and she has mastered the whole global map, the world map in this during this lockdown. She knows all the countries, the rivers, the flags. So you have to flow with your child's interest. You have to follow their interest. You have to let the child lead, and you have to just be the resources to provide them. So do not push too much your children, but find out what they really want, what are their inner passions, what are their aspirations. So homeschooling basically reflect on all these things. We do not you can bring the whole school into home, but also give a lot of time for the child to find out themselves.
Well said. Thank you so much, Mrs. Pallavi. So, to conclude this, that children fuels his own passion and it is more oriented on self-directed learning. Thank you so much.
There's a fascinating story about Isaac Newton. During a pandemic in the years 1665-1667, bubonic plague, Isaac Newton marks these 2 years as the years of wonders. During bubonic plague, the colleges were shut down, the schools were shut down. They were following the same thing as we are advised to follow, social distance. So all of them were told to go home. Isaac Newton went back to his childhood home and he used his time very wisely. According to the Washington Post, without his professors to guide him, Newton apparently thrived. At home, he built bookshelves and created a small office for himself, filling a blank notebook with his ideas and calculations. Absent with the distractions of typical daily life, Newton's creativity flourished. During this time away, he discovered differential and integral calculus, formulated a theory of universal gravitation, and explored optics, experimenting with prisms and investigating light. Isaac Newton's time at home during the epidemic is mentioned as his years of wonders. Thank you.
So please subscribe, like, share this video. More awesome videos are coming up.